Hey guys, this is Ves and welcome back to another Draw YouTuber. So this time I'm gonna change it up, get my ladies in, and I decided to do Lovelyti. So I've been watching Lovelyti for like a lot. Like I watch her a lot. She's like my news outlet, I will say, between her and the Vice show. So yeah, I watch her a lot. She does a lot of celebrity news and information, and she does news and information around the world, and she also does you know, extra stuff on the side. She even does reviews. Like if you're watching a particular show, she'll do a review on that show, or a movie, she'll do a review on that movie. So you know, she does like the mainstream type of stuff. But the thing that I like about her is that she waits and gets all the information that she needs before she puts out the video. And that's because she wants to be completely accurate. She doesn't like to be wrong and, you know, just jump on a topic. So that's what I admire about her. I watch her like every single day, and again guys, she's my news outlet, and I think she's amazing. Like I follow her Instagram and everything and what she does and stuff, and she's an amazing person, and her personality is cool, and you know, just hearing her stories and stuff like that is real deep. So I've been her subscriber for a very long time. Right now her subscriber count is 550,000. So in my books she's considered a big YouTuber, but like if somebody else was looking outside in, they would consider her a small YouTuber because she's not in the millions. So yeah, I just wanted to change it up guys, because I have like a lot of YouTubers in my mind to draw, but I do want to get through the ones that I know first, because those are the ones that I'm watching and I know a little bit about them, so making art for them is easier. So I'm just trying to get through that, and then, you know, I can expand, you know, sooner or later, because I don't watch a lot of YouTube. Like honestly speaking, there's a couple of people that I watch that are mainstream, and there's a lot of people that I watch that aren't mainstream, that they're small YouTubers. So definitely stay with me on this journey, because I'm going to continue doing this. I like drawing YouTubers. I like putting a little bit of personality that I feel that they have into my art. So yeah, definitely stay with me on this. So I was looking around in pictures to figure out like what I wanted to do. I know she loves her tea, and she always wears these rings on her fingers, and she's always wearing stylish clothes and looks really gorgeous when she comes on stream. So I was like, I want to draw her like that, you know, really comfort zone, with her teacup and everything. So I picked up a couple of facial pictures of her, and then I found a girl that was posing. I just looked on the Google, and I was like, Google, show me a girl drinking tea. I saw one that she was, you know, basically looking out into the world, and I thought that that was a nice little pose because it constricted everything together. So I wanted that constrict because I wanted to put words underneath. I was gonna put tea sipping, because she likes to sip tea, and she always talks about, you know, get your teacups ready. So definitely I was like, she needs a tea sipping thing. I might do it as a PNG so I can send it to her and she can use it. I honestly I honestly love when you know, YouTubers do see the art that I do, because it's freaking awesome. Like it's like, oh my god, senpai noticed me. So I was like, definitely, like when Dashi saw it, that was exciting, and so did JD, and I was like, dang, that was freaking cool. So, you know, to see people actually like looking, it's really awesome. It's like really cool. I thank everybody for the support, because a lot of the speed arts that I've been drawing, people retweet it. They tweet it out even before I tweet it out. So yeah guys, I thank you pulses for, you know, doing the footwork. That's awesome. I thank you, and I love the support guys. You guys are amazing. So yeah guys, I didn't want to draw her with the flash feature, because she has a lot of pictures with flash. So I got a picture with her with just her skin tone, because I know that she's not dark below and the face is light. She's one solid color. So I wanted to get her color in there. The one that I got from YouTube, like her YouTube thumbnail, that was really washed out. Like you can tell that the white background washed out her skin. So it wasn't that like that caramel darkness to it. And she's a caramel darkness person. So I wanted to give her that caramel feel to it. I just needed to make sure that she was fully caramel, you know. So I found the YouTube one. I saw that it was fully caramel and I was like, yes, I got something. I got it. I was fighting with hairstyles, honestly speaking, because she looks good in mostly some of the wigs that she wears. She does her hair naturally. She has really long natural hair. So I was struggling. So I kind of met a medium, and I took one of the pictures that she had with just, I guess it was her natural hair when it was shorter, and just used that because again guys, she hasn't took a picture, I don't think, with her natural hair yet. But she does have a lot of natural hair. I know it's long. So, you know, I wasn't like I didn't want to get like out of it and mess it up. So I got like the curliness to it, and I gave her like this gray sweater. She wore a gray sweater like this, similar to one of her videos that I was watching, and I guess it was like when she was in her room doing something. So I was doing that to you know, have it look, you know, similar to something that she would wear. And again, I added the rings because she always wears rings on her fingers, and it's so cool because, you know, you get memorized by it when she moves her fingers. I don't know, it's something wrong with me. I guess it's like, you know, the artist in me. I look at something that's artistic. Like right now, her background has stars in it, and it looks like pulses, and I was like, oh my god, that's so freaking awesome. Like I want that on my background. So, but you know, I'm not gonna do that, guys. Because I don't got no, my background is disgusting. I got too much everything on my walls, so I don't have no room for no stars. But yeah, her stars are there, and it looks really good there. So yeah, I'm probably gonna add that for the thumbnail. Like when I do the thumbnail, I'm gonna add the stars and stuff like that. But for right now, I just want to make this into a PNG regular photo, so that you know, you guys could take a look at it and see it and admire it and stuff like that. I'm hoping that she sees it, because I really like her. I like her style. I like the way she does her videos, and I continuously watch her. Every video she puts out, I watch. Like I watch all her videos, like all of them. I don't have a favorite one. So it's like, you know that I watch her hardcore. I have other YouTubers that I watch hardcore, but they will be coming soon. So don't worry, guys. Just hang tight. I'm trying to do at least draw a YouTuber twice a month, or maybe once a month, depending on how my schedule is. My schedule is pretty much tight. So you know, that's going on. Oh, and for those who don't know, I have a Kickstarter coming out soon. So April 8th, I will be streaming live and you know, enjoying you guys and stuff like that. So if you guys want to come down and enjoy us for the launch party, it's going to be April 8th. I'm going to be streaming all day, so just click the bell and that will let you know when I'm doing it. I'm sorry for my stuffy nose. I have a lot of nasal congestion going on. I think it has something to do with my furnace, but I'm not too sure. Honestly speaking. So yeah, this is the longest video that I did because one of the posters suggested that I go ahead and slow down the speed arts because they didn't know what I was doing. They couldn't see what I was doing. So I slowed down the speed arts a little bit more. If you guys want it faster because you like it faster, please let me know. If you want it this same speed, let me know. Because one of the posters suggested it, and I do agree it was fast. But that's because I didn't want to give you a 13-minute, you know, a 13-minute video, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm not too sure about like what, you know, what type of speed you guys want. So like if you want this to be like a tad bit faster, I could do that. Or if you want it to be the same, I'll leave it the same. And if you want it to be slow, you know, this same speed, then yeah, leave that down in the comments because I'm not too sure, and I want to make sure you guys see it because a lot of you guys are artists. So you like to see my progress so that you can, I guess, implement it in your own art. So yeah, just let me know down below. I like to get comments and, you know, talk to you guys, because that's what I usually do. I leave a comment underneath you guys' comments. I don't do it as quickly because I've been very busy these couple of months, but I do it. So definitely leave a comment down below. Yeah, so I did my own coloring style like I usually do, which is basically the overlay with the cold blue color to bring out the colors, and also the highlights. I did want to add highlights to her, and that's because she always has highlights and stuff, and she always looks prompt. She looks good every single time she comes on stream, like on screen, on stream, anything. She always makes sure she looks proper. So you know, she's better than me in that aspect. You know, I don't wear makeup or anything like that because I'm not a makeup person. Makeup will break me out if I wear it all the time. So I am a person that wears just my naturalness, and I make sure my hair's done, and I got a nice shirt with no stains on it. You know what I'm talking about. So yeah, that's me. That's just how I am, and I go with it. I go with the flow. I go with the flow with life, man. So yeah, that's basically what I feel. That's why I gave her highlights. I did want to like highlight her cheeks and stuff and do that like flash looking color, but it looked too not good. So I was like, forget it. I'm just gonna add a couple of, you know, a couple of it around. I did add a logo to her tea, because it's a tea bag and it has the little string with the little label. So I gave her logo on that label, and the simple fact that she's coming out with her new tea line. So I'm kind of excited for that because I love tea and I will support her. I want to support her. So I want to get one of those tea bags, and I also want to get a teacup from her. So I'm waiting for me to get paid to even do something like that. But yeah, guys, I added tea sipping because that's her and I love it, and I added her logo as the smoke. After I signed it and everything like that, this is how it came out looking. It came out looking good to me. Like, I really enjoyed this one. Like, this one was really good. And I think I did a lot of, you know, I put a lot of thought into it. So that's why I like it a lot. If you guys like it, hit that like. And if you're new here and you're like, hey Vess, I like the way you did this, go ahead and hit that subscribe and become a family member. Become one of our pulses, our energy balls. I continuously do art videos like this and art content, which, you know, I talk about other stuff and artist talks. So definitely hang out with us. You know, we love the family. We love making it bigger. Again, guys, I stream every Fridays at 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. My God, every time I want to speed through that, my Hispanic side is trying to come out. So yes, guys, Fridays, Eastern Standard Time, 7 p.m. on YouTube. Again, Kickstarter is going to have our launch party. Our launch party is going to be April 8th, all day, Eastern Standard Time. Anytime you're around the world, and we'll be launching the Kickstarter for that, and that's gonna be holding my Celestial Pulse comic. So yeah, guys, definitely be there for that. Enjoy us. We have fun. We make jokes. Bring your jokes. Bring everything, your questions and answers and all that. So yeah, again, guys, thank you so much for watching, sharing, telling a friend, and helping a friend. Have an amazing rest of the day. Bye bye.